All right, let's talk sales. We're always looking for that one thing, right? That little edge? Well, what if I told you that you already have a tool that can completely change your game? It's simple, it's incredibly effective, and you're about to become an expert in using it. So, let's dive in.
I want you to just let this question sink in for a second. Imagine having a salesperson who is out there working for you around the clock in all sorts of places, turning curious people into actual customers without you even having to be there. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. This is exactly what we're going to set up today.
And the tool that makes all this happen? It's your Roamstop QR code. But let's stop calling it that. From now on, think of it as your digital handshake. Because that's what it is. In one super quick scan, it connects a real person standing right in front of your flyer or your stall directly to your personal online shop. It's like a magic key that opens a door straight to a sale. So let's get properly introduced. First things first, we're going to break down what this digital handshake actually is, and more importantly, why it works so darn well. Once you get the why, using it becomes second nature. Okay, your QR code basically has three superpowers. First, and this is crucial, it is 100% yours. Any sale that comes through it is automatically and correctly credited to you, no confusion. Second, it builds trust in a split second, because it doesn't go to some faceless corporate website. Nope, it goes to your page with your photo, your bio. And third, it's an instant sales machine. A customer goes from, what's this, to, okay, I'm buying in a single, simple scan. And speaking of simple, there are really only two key places you need to know about to find this thing. When you want to print it out for flyers or stickers, you'll want the high-quality version from your reseller dashboard. And for those face-to-face moments, it's always ready to go right on your public reseller page, which you can just pull up on your phone. Easy. You know, to really master this tool, you gotta get inside your customer's head for a minute. Why do people even bother scanning these codes? Well, it really comes down to three things. Number one, pure curiosity. A QR code is like a little mystery box. People just want to see what's inside. Number two, simplicity. Let's be honest, nobody wants to type out a long web address. Scanning is just way faster. And finally, and this is a big one, it's no pressure. It lets them check things out on their own, without feeling like they're being sold. Okay, now let's use that psychology. We're moving into our first big strategy, which I call the silent salesman. This is all about making your QR code do the work for you, generating leads and sales 24/7, even when you're at home asleep. And the golden rule for your silent salesman is this simple idea. Go where the travelers are, and really think about those specific moments when they have that, oh shoot, I need data feeling. Get this right, and everything else falls into place. So let's look at exactly where those moments are.
Let's get specific. The absolute number one spot, the gold mine, is hotels and guest houses. A traveler checks in, they're tired, and the first thing they need is data. Your move is to simply partner with the front desk. A simple flyer there works wonders. Next up, cafes and restaurants. What are tourists doing there? They're on the free Wi-Fi, planning their next move. A little table tent with your code is the perfect nudge. And finally, if you drive a vehicle or have a stall, you have a captive audience. A sticker on the headrest or a small frame sign, it sells for you while you do your thing.
Now, a quick but really important point. If you are going to print your code, please follow these three rules to make sure it actually works. First, size. It has to be at least an inch, or about 2.5 centimeters. Any smaller, and phones can't see it. Second, quality. Always, and I mean always, use the high-resolution download from your dashboard. A blurry code is a useless code. And third, add some text. Give people a reason to scan. Something like, scan for instant Wi-Fi. Okay, the silent salesman is set up and working. Awesome. Now, let's level up. It's time to talk about mastering the active pitch. How to use your QR code when you're face-to-face with a customer to close that deal on the spot. The whole secret here boils down to this: show, don't tell. The weak pitch sounds like this. Yeah, you can go to my website to buy. Ugh, that's giving your customer homework. It's lazy. The strong pitch? You just pull out your phone and say, here, it's super fast. Just open your camera and scan this code. See the difference? One creates a chore, the other creates an immediate, easy solution that you guide them through. It's a game changer.
And don't think this is just for closing. This tool is like your sales Swiss Army knife. You can use it as an opener to just start a conversation. You obviously use it for the close when they ask, "So, how do I get it?" You can even use it for handling objections. Someone asks if their phone works. Great question. Scan this and we'll find out right now. And of course, it's perfect for follow-up on a business card. It's useful everywhere.
Whew. Okay, that was a lot of information. So let's make this super simple. We're going to boil it all down into a quick start plan that you can literally start doing the second we're done here.
Here it is, your entire plan, starting now. 3 easy steps. 1. Before you do anything else, log into your dashboard and save your QR code to your phone's photo gallery so it's always there. 2. Just pick 1, not 10, just 1 of those silent salesman spots we talked about and set it up this week. And 3, stand in front of a mirror and practice saying that line, just open your camera and scan this code. Get comfortable with it. That's it. You can totally do this. So just remember, this amazing tool, this digital handshake, this 24/7 silent salesperson, it's already yours. It's already in your toolkit. The key to so many more sales is, quite literally, sitting in your pocket. So go on, unlock them.